Hey, what's up guys, it's Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys today. As I told you before, I'm gonna be putting up the gun that I used for my softwash system. I'm gonna put it together. The one I had on there for probably, wow, 2 years. So it's been a while since I had it on there. And in the beginning, I was using the PVC risers. And for some reason they kept breaking inside the gun, so I got an idea from my man Berto from Orlando, Florida, to use copper pipe and some sharp bites for the wand. And since I put that on there, it worked very well, because like I said, I was breaking them. The risers probably, I would say at least once a month I was breaking those. So since I've done that, I never had to replace it until now. It's starting to leak, so we're gonna redo it again. I want to show you guys how I do it, so maybe you can implement that to your system rather than using the risers. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, ask any questions you got, hit the bell so you know when I put up a video. All these items I'm going to be using to put this together. The gun I bought from Lorie Smith at Pressure Washer Products. It's the U-Door softwash gun, but everything else I got from Home Depot. So let's go check it out. All right, so these are the items we're going to be using. We got a 1/2 inch copper pipe. This is a 24-inch one. 24-inch copper pipe. See if I can show you guys the code for it. Right here, you get it from Home Depot. 1/2 inch. 2 feet, 24 inches. You're gonna need 2 of these 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch sharp bites. So you're gonna have a thread in over here, and then over here is the part you're gonna put in the copper pipe through, right here. You're gonna have two of them, because you're gonna need one on each end. I don't have an extra one of these, so I'm gonna take my old one off to put. This is a 45-degree angle, so when you're shooting your chemical, you can actually have a downward angle to spray rather than it going straight, so it's easy to walk when you're walking on the roofs. So this is a 45-degree 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch. And what I have here inside of it is a reducer, because we had to put our coupler or quick connect for our J-rod, which is 1/4 inch. So you're gonna have a bushing that goes from 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch. I wonder if I have an extra one. I got my little box here. Let me see if I got an extra one. I don't think I do. Thought I did. I don't have an extra one. That sucks. Nope. Okay, I don't have an extra one. So anyway, so you're gonna have a 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch bushing, and then you're gonna have your quick connect right here, which is, you know, your basic quick connect for your gun, and then your J-rod. I just got me a new J-rod. This is my old one. You guys can see how beat up it is. I had it for a while. So I got me a Davis nozzle holder. So I got 3 nozzles on this one here. The middle one is a 0040, which is the stream shooter tip. I have I can't see in this. There you go. Now I can see in the sun. I got a 40-30 right here on the end, and then this is the widest one right here, which is 15-40. So these are my J-rod tips. Yes, sir. But the gun itself, this is the U-Door gun right here. This is the U-Door gun. It has the Viton seals in it. It's not leaking, it's good to go, but my problem was right here. I'm starting to leak from right here. So therefore we're gonna replace this whole thing right here. I could have just replaced just this one here, but I'm just gonna replace the whole thing. And then of course on the bottom of my hose I have a 1/2 inch swivel so my line doesn't kink. So it goes from 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch here. And then I got a barb at the bottom that goes inside this hose here. So it threads into the gun. At the bottom is a female 1/2 inch. So I got a male threaded barb that goes into here, and then it goes into the hose. So we're gonna put this thing together. We're gonna put this part together first, and we'll put it in on the gun. Stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna put the lens together. It's pretty simple. Push this in here. Once she clicks, she's in there. She ain't going nowhere. That's it. Put it on this side here. She ain't going nowhere. So now this is together. You can do the rest. I'm gonna disassemble the elbow over here so I can put it on this one here. So we're gonna put some True Blue on here, so we can put our elbow on there. Said, you don't gotta go too tight on these because it's plastic. Alright, so we got our elbow ready. Now we can put it on our gun. I gotta take the old one off. Pretty simple. I gotta install my vise. I just bought a vise. I gotta get some hardware for it. one was done. Cause look, it was leaking from right there. You see it? It's backed up and everything. It's been here for a while. Alright, do the same thing on this side. Put some true blue on the threads. Screw it into plastic. You don't gotta go too crazy. Should be good enough. Snug it up a little bit. Clean everything up. And J-rod on here. I gotta get a new coupler. I don't have, keep calling it a coupler. I gotta get a quick connect. Alright, so this is the gun. Here she goes. Let's give it a test. Alright, so we're gonna give this thing a test to see, what's flowing like. Pretty decent for a 12 volt pump. What's up, boss? How you doing? All right. So we just spray pretty much from the truck to the back, from the back of the truck to right there. I want to measure it and see how far is that. I don't know. Let me check. 1 second. All right, that was quick. Check it and see. Alright, so I started right here, back of the truck. Call it right there. Let's see where we stopping at, right here. Right there. What we got? 44 feet. Not bad, right? 44 feet. That's where we at. Well, you can see it where it ended. I didn't even know it shot that far. That's my first time testing it to see how far it went. Pretty impressed. Alright guys, that was it. A little quick video for you guys putting my one back together. If you want to give it a try, you guys can see it's pretty simple. I think that stuff was really cheap at Home Depot. The gun is gonna be more expensive than anything else, and the swivel as well. But as far as put the one together, very inexpensive, and it will last you a very long time. You guys stay tuned. Make sure you like, leave a comment if you got any questions. I got y'all, man. I answer all my comments. So y'all have a good one, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.